Who makes more money as a bartender? Boys or girls? We'll find out. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another edition of Making You a Bartending Pro. I'm Jason. So on this channel, you'll learn everything you need to know to become, get hired, and succeed as a working bartender. So if that's you, make sure you subscribe. So in this episode, I want to answer another question that came from my Tuesday live streams that I do every Tuesday, 8 p.m. West Coast United States time. And it has to do with guys versus girls making more money. Who makes more money, guys or girls? And this was asked by both, I think it's Brad Thoreau and Singles and Pringle. So thank you guys for showing up and asking these great questions. Like all things with bartending, this is another one that it depends on where you work. Now, my experiences that I'm gonna use to answer this are completely anecdotal. Now, there are a couple of things that I can kind of point to that will kind of point in a general direction, and I'll reference my personal experiences over the 15 years of what I've seen. Definitely noticing that anytime I've worked with the more attractive female counterparts in my job, that will tend to make we, as in general, any of the bartenders that are working together that night or that shift, we will tend to make a little more money. Now, why is this the case? I don't know if it's just a matter of it's a lot of guys that happen to be paying the tabs and they want to impress the hot bartender chick. I don't know. But I would say that if I had to put my money down, that the girls will probably make more money than the guys. Now, that's with all things equal. Assuming you're doing good service and you're friendly and doing all the things that you should be doing to the maximum capacity of your ability within the job. Now, if you're super hot, let's say you're a Victoria's Secret supermodel, but you're super bitchy to everybody, you're not gonna make better tips just because you're hot, right? So you still need to know how to do your job well. You still need to understand what the job is. If you suck at customer service, then all of this just goes right out the window. So you still need to strive to do better. Someone who gives fantastic customer service and is smiling and is creating unique experiences for their customers will always do better than somebody who's just a pain in the ass. So make sure that you do your best that you can. Make sure you're always smiling and you're happy and you're outgoing. Maybe watch that video that I have about how to stay calm when it gets busy. I know it's a really old video that I shot, but it's still very relevant, and then it talks about smiling and that it kind of keeps you in a good mood, and that helps keep your customers in a good mood. Really, I think that the answer to this question is that the more you can keep your customers in a positive, happy mood and a positive, happy attitude, the better your chances will be to get generous tips from those guys, right? Because I mean, that's what we're doing here. I mean, we're working not just for tips, but that's the primary means in which we make a living. So you want to obviously not do a bad job at that, because then you're not gonna make decent tips. You don't wanna be always giving bad service because could potentially cost you your job, but you're always just gonna be, nobody's gonna wanna come back to you, and you're not gonna, it's bad all the way around. So make sure that you're giving good service, make sure you're always a positive, happy person, and trying to create and cultivate that environment in your bar, because I think overall that will supersede guy versus girl. But again, if you wanted to just answer this question flat out, all things being equal, if everybody was doing a kick-ass job and everybody's happy and smiling and positive, I would probably give just a razor thin edge to the female over the male. Okay, so that'll do it for this one. Remember, this channel is completely put together to teach you how to become and succeed and kick ass as a working bartender. Thank you, Brad and Single as a Pringle, for asking these great questions. Make sure you show up on the Tuesday live streams, 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and maybe your question will be made into a video just like this. Until then, I'll see you on the next episode. Take care, have fun, be safe.
Peace.